frustration with this old town. You can brush it under, but it always comes back. It's still following you around. And the city limits keep on getting bigger just when you thought you had made it out. And just sick of waiting, lying on the pavement, trying to get out of this old town. She confides that she wants a little more. Oh, we living, oh, we living. She confides that she wants a little more. Are we living or merely killing time?
Watch.
Oh, oh, whoa, yeah, he's down, down to the ground. He's up, he's up. Oh, no, he's down, down. He's gonna do it, he's gonna do it. Oh, yeah, whoa, he's up. Oh, he's down to the ground. He is, oh, yeah, he's up. He's gonna be up. Yep, he's up. Oh, then he falls down. Bum, bum, bum.